What is up, crypto world? My name is Yosef, aka Crypto Yosef, and today we're going to be doing a technical analysis on Ripple XRP. Now, before I get into this video, I want to preface it by asking you guys to click the like button down below right now. Please, it does help a lot. A lot of people don't like technical analysis, so it does help other people discover this video. Because my viewers, I have a lot of fundamental analysis subscribers. Most of my subscribers are from fundamental analysis, and I have started to incorporate my technical analysis into my YouTube channel, and I know a lot of you guys also like that as well. So please do leave a like down below if you guys just want to support technical analysis videos in general, because you know, it's a little bit, I get less ratings when I do technical analysis. So if you guys do leave a like, it goes a long way. It means a lot more to me than you would think. Also does help us get on the search results as well, so it does go a long way. Please do click that like button down below, and also subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications if you guys like the technical analysis here, or also if you guys really do like my technical analysis, follow me on Twitter. That's where you'll get the most up-to-date live technical analysis tweets and stuff like that. And before I go into my technical analysis for Ripple, the reason why I'm doing Ripple, not Bitcoin today, is because Bitcoin looks really healthy. It looks like it's going to go sideways with very small trends for the next 24 hours. We might see a small little downtrend of like maybe $100, and then it's going to go back up. It's sideways. It's really sideways. It's really neutral, like 60% bullish, 40% bearish. It's really neutral, but it's more bullish, and it will be more bullish. I don't think we are done with our bull run here. But before I get into today's video, I want to prove that I know what I'm talking about. I'm not just gonna be like some person like, hey, this is technical analysis, you should listen to me, even though you don't know what calls I have made. So my last like around 13 to 12 calls have been on the dot accurate. So as you guys can see, I just tweeted this, making a TA video on XRP Ripple. Like if you will watch it, well, I'm gonna watch it, so I'm gonna like it. All right. So I just tweeted, Bitcoin looks healthy, can be neutral. It looks really neutral, more bullish than bearish. Small gains tomorrow, sideways action. And I said tomorrow is going to be altcoin day. And my favorite altcoin is Ripple, so that's why I'm doing a technical analysis on it. And yeah, so my last video, if you guys were to watch my last video, I said this is some proof that I know what I'm talking about. So listen to this. I really do believe this is the bottom for a while. For the following week, at least for the following week makes perfect sense. For the current trends in the market, this seems like we're about to enter into a mini bullish state in the market, and this is the end of the bear trend. As you guys can see, we entered a significant mini bullish state in the market, although it doesn't seem as significant, but the percentage gains were insane. So if you were to insert fiat last night, you would have saw 50% gains on most of the cryptos you were to invest in. If you chose like some good ones like 88 Cardano, you saw that low price on Cardano, you would have bought that up. Really good gains today. If you were to buy a VinChain, you would have had 100% gain. You would have doubled your money, because the mini bull run here. And right now we're really neutral. And like how you guys saw, I called that, and I also called this correction as well, and I proved that in this video as well. I'll show you guys my previous technical analysis in that video, just so you guys know that I have an understanding of what I'm talking about. I'm not just making all this stuff up. Now, I want to show you guys my last Ripple call, because you're like, that's Bitcoin, we're looking at Ripple today. So I'm going to show you guys my last call on Ripple. So this was when we were bearish, right? I said Ripple's going to hit $2. Well, it didn't hit $2 because we went bearish. And this is what I said when we were I said if we go bearish, this is going to be where we're going to go, right? Our bottom, where you should buy in, right? Look at this. We're just going to draw some support lines here, guys. So support line number 1, we could draw it here, and you can find these support lines in the past two of Ripple here. If we look, there's a resistance. So if you guys know me in technical analysis, when I draw these support lines that are horizontal, they are extremely significant, because I'd like to draw trend lines. I love drawing trend lines. That's my thing. I love doing trend lines with Fibonacci retracement. I draw very strong horizontal lines like that. I usually have them dashed like that, so they stand out to me more as well, and they are always significant, strong support lines. So when I do draw horizontal lines, they are significant. So keep that in mind when you guys look at my technical analysis. And the next one, we're going to use these two as the basements for Ripple. So if we go into a bull market, this would be the basement of Ripple. I meant to say bear market, I said bull market, but you guys see what I was saying. I said this is the basement if we go into a bear market. Well, let's look at Ripple and what happened when we went into a bear market. Oh, would you look at that? We went right into the basement, and now we're getting out of the basement. Wow. Well, right now, personally, I would not buy Ripple at this exact price. I should have bought in last night when I saw this. I wasn't looking at Ripple. I was looking at Bitcoin. I should have got in. I was so concerned about Bitcoin. I wasn't looking at anything else. I wasn't doing TA and anything else. I wasn't even looking at my Blockfolio. I was just doing my technical analysis on Bitcoin and just completely focused on Bitcoin. I wasn't looking at Ripple, although I do love Ripple. I should have bought in right here. This was below the basement. This was a great opportunity, and if I saw this, I would have bought it up like crazy. Now, that was a little bit stupid. I missed out on a little bit of profits here. Let's actually do a ruler measurement of the profits we missed out on here. Like, let's say we bought from the bottom, the complete bottom. What did we miss out on? 34% gains. We missed out. We missed out on that. But I see Ripple going to 65 cents here. I see it going back to this little trend line right here around this area. I see it going to 65 cents. 66 cents, even 67 cents right here, the lower 67 range, is a good buying opportunity. So right now, it's a good buying opportunity for Ripple. Personally, I think 65 cents is definitely where we're going to land with this red candles, these red downtrends, and then we're going to go bounce back up. So buying opportunity, we're entering that basement. So definitely a good buying opportunity. As you guys can see, I called this before all of this happened. Now, looking at this, right, looking at where Ripple is headed, there's not much I want to really do price prediction on Ripple, because you know, I'm showing you guys like the technical analysis of where you should buy right now. You should buy, right? You should buy right now, right? And personally, in my opinion, from what I have seen, when you go in this bearish state and you see a reversal, this is just based off of history and how Fibonacci retracements work. I believe that this wave, this leg, is going to run up to the what do you call it? This golden ratio for sure. We're guaranteed 83 cents on Ripple. I'm telling you guys that right now. I believe that genuinely, and I stand by that. That's a claim. As you guys can see, all my claims on technical analysis, I stand by them. I don't delete technical analysis videos or tweets or anything like that. If there is any deletion, it's a grammatical mistake. And I believe we will see 83 cent Ripple extremely soon, guys. Like extremely soon. So if you were to buy in right now, like let's just do some ruler gains right here. So buy right now where it is right now. If you were to buy in, I'm pretty much saying you're gonna get 20% return on your whatever you're putting in right now. Obviously I'm not a financial advisor, and you should take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I am extremely confident with me calling that right now. So as you guys can see, like my last 13 calls have been on the dot. I've shown you guys some evidence. You guys can look at my history yourself if you want to, as you shouldn't always just believe what I tell you. So do your own research of me, I guess, of my calling on technical analysis, and you guys will see I've been pretty on the dot. And if you guys follow me, you guys know I don't delete any of my tweets, don't delete videos. You guys can go watch all of them. And yeah, so this is a great buying opportunity. Really small video on Ripple. No crazy price predictions here. I'm just calling a very near future market, because I don't want to go very in depth on that, because markets can change, market trends change every day. So you always want to look at the most up-to-date technical analysis. A one-day span's pretty good, and you want to look at a new technical analysis every single day, so you get the most updated recent information, because you enter bearish and bullish trends all the time. So you want to stay up to date. And the best way to look at a long-term hold, if you guys are looking at a good buying opportunity, is looking at the one-day chart. If you were to look here, a good buying opportunity would have been this, obviously this bottom RSI at the 30, but that looks like it's out of the window. But it's around that 60, what is that? Around like the 65 cent mark, as you guys can see, pretty close to the 65 cents. So I believe we're going to touch that again one more time. Good buying opportunity. You're guaranteed growth. You're guaranteed growth. If you guys know how RSI works, I mean, obviously sometimes it can dip down to 20, but it doesn't look like Ripple likes to do that. It likes to bounce off 30. And yeah, I would buy in at 65 cents if you see it start to really see a green trend and you see the MACD cross. If you guys do technical analysis, then I would definitely buy in. I'll probably look at this, and if I see it, I'll tweet it out. So if you guys don't know how to do technical analysis, just follow me on Twitter. I'll tweet it out when you should buy in Ripple if you guys want to wait till 65 cents. And if we don't see 65 cents, I'll like shoot out a tweet like, hey, if you were looking to get in Ripple, you might want to get in. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this technical analysis. I don't want to give you guys no crazy price predictions of where we'll see it in a month or yada yada yada. I just want to show you guys where we can see in the very near future, within like this week. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, please do leave that like down below. Subscribe to me if you guys did enjoy this content. And yeah, turn on post notifications. Follow me on Twitter. I really do want to build a community here on Twitter, interact with you guys, tweet with you guys, have conversations with you guys. And also, shout out to my boy Christian Matthew. I don't know how to say your last name. Matthew, I don't know. Well, shout out to you for telling me to do a technical analysis on Ripple. You probably thought I was just going to drop a tweet on Ripple, but now you're watching a video. So, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.